Kinley from Orkney Uncovered here, aka Kinley the Viking at Yesnaby. Remains of Storm Babet are already starting to head out of Orkney. We're on the west coast just now of the North Atlantic. Hiding behind a gunnet battering. It's a bit of a rainbow in the distance there. There's Ivan, also known as Kirsty. How are you getting on?
Fine.
Kirsty's very angry with me today because of her parking has been dreadful. Right, let's go and test out the wind. Today the beard says easterly. Now, had this been a westerly direction, Storm Babet, also known as Storm Berserker normally, would have been a lot wilder from the west, and all the waves have been flying up over the top here. So it's a strong east southeasterly. So today we're on the west coast here, so it's much quieter, much calmer. Trying out the beard on a westerly. I'm wearing my Buffalo Parka today. Really warm British Antarctic survey jacket from Buffalo Systems. Now down here ahead of us, what you can see is some of the old lake bed. We were here 400 million years ago. It would be south of the equator under a gigantic freshwater lake bed. Some remarkably calm here. Now, we're here on the North Sea section. This is the North Atlantic in the west. Way out past Kirsty there to the east, takes you to the North Sea. So it's quite a decent day today weather-wise. Some great views out over the North Atlantic in the distance. This is Yesnaby. Some of the ancient people from the Neolithic period got their stone here for building their standing stones in other areas around Orkney. Look at the layers of sedimentary sandstone. And under my feet here, there are ancient fossils called stromatolites. An ancient type of algae dating back to 400 million years ago. More stromatolites. Refreshingly cool. Now this bitumen type stuff, the old plant life under me, this black stuff, it looks like tar. It is very very grippy when it's dry. When it's wet, it's like being on ice. So remember that if you ever come across this stuff, be very careful, okay? When it's wet. Over here, look at the size of that section of rock. Beard versus Babet! Yay! Beard wins. Anyway, everybody, hope you've enjoyed that little video there. Still very breezy here being on the west coast, but it's a lot less windy than the east coast. Look after yourselves out there, be safe, and we'll speak soon.